to each and every song. Please hold your heartbeat. We are going to have our guitarist Sharik and group.
तेरे मेरे साथ जो होता है बात समझ में आती नहीं, तेरे मेरे साथ जो होता है के साथ होता नहीं। जब सारा जग ही सोता है फिर नींद हमें क्यों आती नहीं।
नीले नीले अंबर पर चांद जब आए प्यार बरसाए हमको तरसाए। ऐसा कोई साथी हो, ऐसा कोई प्रेमी हो, रात दिल की बुझा जाए। नीले नीले अंबर पर चांद जब आए प्यार बरसाए हमको तरसाए। सांसों की गर्मी को हाथों की नरमी को दिल में न तरसाए कोई तो छू जाए। ऐसा कोई साथी हो, ऐसा कोई प्रेमी हो, रात दिल की बुझा जाए। नीले नीले अंबर पर चांद जब आए प्यार बरसाए हमको तरसाए। छम करता सावन बूंदों के पास चलाए, सतरंगी बरसातों में जब तक मंदी आ जाए। छम करता सावन बूंदों के पास चलाए, सतरंगी बरसातों में जब तक मंदी आ जाए। प्यार में नहाने को डूब ही जाने को दिल मेरा तड़पाए ख्वाब जगा जाए। ऐसा कोई साथी हो, ऐसा कोई प्रेमी हो, रात दिल की बुझा जाए। नीले नीले अंबर पर चांद जब आए प्यार बरसाए हमको तरसाए। ला 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 ला। ಇಲ್ಲದೆ ಈ ಸಂಜೆ ಯಾಕಾಗಿದೆ ಸಂಜೆ ಸಾಕಾಗಿದೆ ನೀನಿಲ್ಲದೆ ಈ ಸಂಜೆ ಸಾಕಾಗಿದೆ ಏಕಾಂತವೇ ಆಲಾಪವು ಏಕಾಂಗಿಯ ಆಲಾಪವು ಈ ಮೌನ ಬಿಸಿಯಾಗಿದೆ ಓ ಈ ಮೌನ ಬಿಸಿಯಾಗಿದೆ ಸಂಜೆ ಯಾಕಾಗಿದೆ ನೀನಿಲ್ಲದೆ ಈ ಸಂಜೆ ಯಾಕಾಗಿದೆ
I request all the participants to come and occupy the chairs, please. Aditya wants boy, girl, boy, girl, boy, girl here. You are sitting one side, what is this? Come on. Come, share. Hey, he's hosting here, please go, no.
Yeah,
Yeah, colorful. No, sir. In fact, are you feeling the hot seat, sir, or are you feeling the hot seat, dear friends? You are feeling hot seat, sir, or are you feeling the hot seat, sir? Yeah, probably depends upon our questions. Sir, I would like to initiate. Mic, I'll give you, sir. Another mic is there.
Indeed, it's really nervous today. Yes, I'm going to various places, Kashmir to Kanyakumari, I'm addressing to the people. I consider I'm frankly speaking only, but I don't know why they have decided this program also.
Yeah. Sir, 50 years of incredible service to the officers community. And on this Golden Jubilee year, you are the General Secretary. What a pleasure, sir. What a blessing. What are your first thoughts on it?
It is, I'm indeed overwhelmed by the sense of happiness, pride, and plus the sense of gratitude too. Because an organization can be started by anybody, but the organization should be remaining and sustaining for 50 years. And those 50 years also, it should be a meaningful.
Is it audible, sir?
Friends, what I was telling is, I am indeed overwhelmed by the sense of pride as well as the sense of gratitude. Because starting an organization is not a big deal. Many political parties are in existence only in papers. But an organization which is existing for 50 years, that organization also 50 years is performing, and it is a very eventful happening were there in our records. Such organization was started in a small way by our elders. Perhaps they might not have thought that it is going to be celebrated by 22,700 officers all over the country in such a moment. So, and they have given me an opportunity to lead this organization, and the organization has grown in such a way. So that way, I feel proud, and I deem it as a pride moment in my career and life. And the question of gratitude comes. One is again my expression of gratefulness to my seniors and elders, who without expecting this is going to happen, they started, they sustained, they developed, and today they are sitting in front of me, and some of them they are enjoying this moment also, though they are not taking part in that. So my gratefulness, gratitude goes to my seniors. And when we thought that, feeling ourselves as lucky guys, during the year of the Golden Jubilee as a serving officers in this organization, serving member of the organization, when I expressed my desire to conduct this program in a memorable way, immediately all our members wholeheartedly they have come forward, and particularly our youth, which we are witnessing since morning to evening, they are expressing their sense of belongingness in a beautiful way. So I am a sincere thanks to our expression of gratitude to that youths also, all our members too. So this overwhelming feeling of pride and gratitude is a mixture of feeling I have got today.
Thank you, sir. Yeah, from you, any questions, sir, from you? I'll come back later.
Yeah.
Yes, sir?
Sir, we have asked you on many occasions this question, sir. But again, for the benefit of members, I just want to ask you again. What had been the most satisfying journey in this 50 years for you, sir?
Friends, in our life, that was officer joining the bank. Every day is experience, and every moment is to be experimented. And person like me, I am always enjoying every moment and every day. If you ask me which is the good moment for me in this section, I will consider this moment sitting in front of you all and questioned by all our sisters and brothers. It is the best moment in my entire case.
That's what makes you our leader, sir.
Yes.
Yeah. Yeah, next. Yeah, please.
You are role model to many of us. We would like to know who is your role model and why, reason behind it.
In my opinion, it should not be viewed as an arrogant reply. In my opinion, no, every individual is coming across so many individuals and events in their life. And they should, as a human being who has got sixth sense too, we are supposed to grab some information or some message from the every individuals you are coming across and every events you are undergoing. Even from the bad people also we can come to know something that what I should not do that. So you need not take anybody as a role model. Whoever coming across in your life in individuals, whatever events you are undergoing, try to grab message from everyone and try to you become a role model. It is a better message.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Yeah, any question? No? Aditya must be having a tough question, sir, I feel.
No, sir. I will ask just a frank question. You are constantly trying to make things faster, better, and even less expensive. I will focus on less expensive. You are leveraging a lot on technology. In other words, you are striving to do a lot more. I want to know, sir, most of us feel, I also feel that you have some kind of a superpower. I want to know what is the source of this energy so that it can help us. We also want to have some portion of your energy.
What is the secret of that superpower, sir? Please tell us, no?
See, power I am extracting from you only. You are the person radiating that perhaps I may be reflecting the power what I am deriving from you. Actually, it is not big magic or it is not a big thing to do in life. See, if anything you are approaching without any selfishness, that I love to do something. Friends, I am overwhelmed by one of the statements made by Manekshaw, Field Marshal Manekshaw. He was a person when he talked about the leadership, he is telling that normally the leaders are expecting the members should be having a loyal towards the leadership because he is only bringing something. But he told differently, the leaders should have a loyalty towards the membership because those members have only accepted you as a leader. If this feeling is having any leader, perhaps it comes automatically, understanding the needs of the people and assimilating the need and designing. Ultimately, naturally, it will end up like what you are telling that. So nothing super, and today I am deriving the power from every one of you, and that makes me to run. Success brings success.
Wow. Yes. Success brings success. That is our Manimaran service. Yeah? One. Mega? Special question from Mangalore. Please.
So if God ever gives you a chance to ask him a wish, what would that be and why?
To have a beautiful daughter like you.
It is always my pleasure, sir. I'm honored and blessed. Thank you.
It's very simple, sir. This trade union, particularly our Canara Bank Office Association, totally diversified. It has got various culture, religion, language, caste, community, creed. And wherever I go, from Kashmir to Kanyakumari, the same love and affection I am enjoying. Same amount. Something like brother, father, or something like uncle, the same power under this one. So, if God asks me again to have a birth and what I want to be again coming as a General Secretary of the Canara Bank.
Wow.
Hello? So this weekend was a memorable event when it was from the trade union when we thought of bringing a figure of 10,000. Could you throw some more light on it, sir?
Basically, it has come because of the self-pityness, I should say that. Because every one of our officers, particularly the officers community, after this digitalized era, morning to evening they are working. Even at going home also they are thinking about this bank only. And ultimately every one of us is working for the bank. We are bringing the business, we are bringing the profits. But whether the profit what we earned, whether it is exactly reflecting the labor we put in, certainly not. When we compare to this same kind of institution, parallel institutions, and they like HDFC and all, and I don't think that they are anyway better than our officers. I have a very strong feeling. I used to tell always also, even the worst rated officer of Canara Bank will be better than even the best rated officer in any bank. So that is the quality of the Canara Bank. So morning to evening, totally we are working on, but still the results are not coming. And if you see that our gross profit is 6,000 crores or plus, that is